if you guys wanted to create something that looked like my PowerPoint presentation in class, these are the steps that you guys would take. So you guys would open up PowerPoint, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to shrink this page just a little right now because I don't care so much about looking at all my slides as one. And what I would then do is kind of get rid of this stuff on here that asks me to do that, and I would start looking at the insert menu. And on this insert menu, I have a couple options. I can use Smart Art, which you guys might see has cycles that you guys can do this. It'll put it in order for you guys. You guys can kind of see this and then put different things in there, which is really helpful if that's something you guys wanted to do. All right, so that cycle here kind of builds this for me, and I don't have to do a whole lot using Smart Art. Okay, so then I can just kind of enter in. I'll get rid of one of these boxes. It has 4. I can enter resource or product market. All right, I can enter household. I can enter factory or firm, and I can enter the resource market. All right, and then I can be sure to describe everything else that I need to. Now let's say that I want to do something a little more custom. All right, again, if I create a new slide, I can delete this here like this, use my insert feature to do shapes. And as I do those shapes, I just draw those shapes on. I use my control copy and control paste, so control C and control V to kind of put this all together. And when I put this all together, I position my boxes. I can type in those boxes. All right. Put an additional box in the center for my product. All right, if I go to insert again, I can insert different arrow shapes. So I'll get a 2-sided line here. And you guys will notice that PowerPoint will say, hey, connect it to right here. And that'll kind of make it so that I can connect to each spot. And as I do that, it just kind of continue all the way around that circle. All right, so there it is right there. And you guys can kind of see that I'm easily creating these shapes. Now to do the animations, what I would do is go to animation, select my animation, and then kind of have that come in and go in the order once it's all on the page of how I want it to appear. So if I want it to appear in a certain order, I just click that. I can choose different things. I can make random bars. I can grow and turn. I can zoom in. I can shape it. I can do a split. But either way, that's how we would go about creating this in a PowerPoint slide. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Just takes a little extra time to kind of get going. All right.